So now let's see how we can utilize a ChatGPT plugin called Whimsical Diagrams. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto Explore GPTs right here. And over here in Set GPTs section, I'm going to go around and type in Whimsical Diagrams right here, just like this. So once I do that, what happens is that I get Whimsical Diagrams, and once I click on it, I can go around and start the chat right here. And what I can do around over here is I can simply go around and search for I can create different diagrams. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say create a diagram to create a diagram related to benefits of online education as a company that provides education online. Create a brainstorm, let's say for example brainstorm diagram related to benefits right here. So once I go around and press enter, it utilizes the Whimsical Diagrams right here. It says for brainstorming the benefits of online education as a company that provides an education. So you can see that it says I'll create the mind map now, and it gives out all of the points right here first, and now it says I'll generate the diagram. So you need to go around and allow Whimsical Diagrams to get access right here. And once you do that, it says here is the mind map right here. And there you go. The mind map has been created, as you can see right here. And it says here's the mind map visualizing the benefits of online education. You can go around and view and edit the diagram inside of Whimsical Diagrams as well. So once you go around and do that, then you can see that it goes around, and you can see that you can go around and just control it out as you like, as you can see right here. So that is what you have, as you can see, and then you can change out the style and so forth according to how you want over here. So that is how you can work around with Whimsical Diagrams inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.